My dear students, competitive chemistry JEE NEET 2025 focus. Mind blowing chemistry. What is chemical equilibrium? H2 plus I2 2HI, PCl5 PCl3 plus Cl2, 2SO2 plus O2 2SO3. Kp greater than Kc, Kp less than Kc, Kp is equal to Kc. You see number of moles of reactant here, 1 mole hydrogen, 1 mole iodine. So total moles of reactants are 2. Total moles of products are 2. So if number of moles of reactants is equal to number of moles of products, that is delta N is equal to Np minus Nr. 2 minus 2, 0. So number of moles of products is equal to number of moles reactants. Then what happened? Delta N is equal to 0. Then that is equal to Kp is equal to Kc. The right answer. Whenever the number of moles of reactants is equal to number of moles of products, then what happened? Kp is equal to Kc. Delta N is equal to Np minus Nr. Number of moles of products 2 minus number of moles of reactants 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 2, that is equal to 0. So when delta N is equal to 0, Kp is equal to Kc. Here this number of moles of reactants 1 mole PCl5. Here products 2 moles. One is PCl3, another is Cl2. So number of moles of reactants 1 mole, number of moles of products 2 moles. So number of moles of reactants less than number of moles of products, that is Kp greater than Kc. Kp delta N is equal to Np minus Nr. Np 2, Nr 1, 2 minus 1, 1. So delta N is equal to positive, then Kp greater than Kc. 1 is the right answer. 2SO2 plus O2, 2SO3. Here number of moles of reactants 2 plus 1, 3. Number of moles of products 2. So delta N is equal to 2 minus 3. That is equal to minus 1. Delta N is equal to negative. Delta N negative. Kp less than Kc. Please note it. If delta N is equal to 0, Kp is equal to Kc. Delta N is equal to positive. Delta N is equal to positive, Np minus Nr. If it is a positive, Kp greater than Kc. Delta N is equal to negative, Kp less than Kc. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.